Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class, Module 3. In this class, we will learn about the use of the do and does. Previously, we have learnt common noun is a general name that is used for naming a person, animal, place, or a thing. Boy, beer, city, and chocolates are the some examples of common noun. Proper noun, it is a special name given to a person, Deepak, animal, Balu, place, Hyderabad, thing, that is Kit Kat, are the some examples of proper noun. We have also learned that singular nouns are the one. Plural nouns are more than one. Let us now learn about the verbs do and does. The verbs do and does can be a helping verb or a main verb. Read the following sentences now. Do I need a storybook? Do you like pets? Do they own a car? Do we have a school on Saturday? Do you speak English? Do you want to play with my cat? We use helping verb do when the subject is I, we, you, they, or any plural nouns, that is more than one person, animal, place, or a thing. Look at these sentences. Does the cat sleep all the time? Does she keep her toys neatly? Does Rohan help his mother? Does he play with you? Does it rain a lot in Shimla? Does a cow eat grass? The helping verb does is also used to show the actions or to ask the questions. We use the helping verb does with the pronouns he, she, it and singular nouns, that is one person, animal, place or a thing. Do and does are used to frame the questions when we want to say yes or no answers. Look at these examples carefully. Do you like guavas? While framing a question, we ask for write a full sentence. Otherwise, it won't make any sense. Yes, I do. It means yes, I like guavas. No, I don't. It means no, I don't like guavas. We need not to say or write full sentences while answering such type of questions. Now, let us see some more examples. The dog does not bark at a people. Does the dog bark at a people? No, it doesn't. You write neatly. Do I write neatly? Yes, you do. He has a car. Does he have a car? Yes, he does. Read these set of examples. Do your homework. We do yoga regularly. He does some work in the garden. Do and does as the main verbs have a number of meanings. Some common meaning of do and does are to perform or take part in an action or to complete something. He has lot of homework to do tonight. Here, do in this sentence is a main action verb. Similarly, my father does the crossword in the newspaper every day. Here, there is no verb other than the helping verb does. In such cases, helping verb becomes the main verb. In both the sentences, the meaning of the words do and does is to perform an action or to complete something. So, children, do you all know when to use do and does? Does anyone have a doubts? Thank you.